What's going on, boys and girls? It's your boy Big John from Bodyforward, and today I want to talk about something that I do frequently, and I have to tell you guys the truth. Now, if you always see my videos beforehand, or if you go to my website www.body-forward.com, it's full of a lot of information. I read studies all day long. I research all day long. Because I want to be the best I can be, and I want to deliver the best information to all you guys. The right information. And try to figure out what's really going on. But I got to admit something. It's hard being Mr. fucking Wizard. It really is. And the reason is because a lot of research studies are bullshit. A lot of them are conflicting. You could read one research study that totally contradicts another research study. Some of them are poorly designed. Some of them have other interests. And what I mean by interests, a company that's paying for the research done so that it proves their point, so that they can make more money off of it. There's a lot of confounding variables, things that are all errors in the research. So that's a group of things you got to deal with. And the second thing, like I said before, there's a lot of conflict. There's a lot of conflicting data. But the one thing that I do try to give you guys as best as possible, I try to get the common denominator out of all those the conflicting data. I try to separate it, and it fucking warps my brain. If you guys ever do research, and I know that's why a lot of you guys don't, but if you ever do research, it warps your fucking brain. Because one thing says this and another says that. But the best thing to do, you gotta delve into the research, read it for what it's worth, and try to pull out common denominators from all those studies. And that's how I draw my conclusions on life also. Not only just for research, but in life. You know, when somebody's doing something and somebody else has something that it's working, you pull the common denominator out. And even for exercise and diet, everybody's exercise is different. Everybody's diet is different. But what you have to do is pull out a common denominator from all of them. And there usually are commonalities between everybody. Maybe different, but still the same. You know, look at us as human beings. We're black, white, brown, yellow, red. We're all these different colors, but we're still humans. And that's how you got to think about it, like that. Yeah, this diet may be different. That exercise may be different, but don't be narrow-minded and shut it off. Find deeply what's causing success. You got to look deep within and see what causes success. And like I said, the research papers that I read all day fucking long, oh my God, they can make your head spin off. They're so dry. They're ambiguous a lot of the times. They're worded tricky to prove their point. Bullshit. That's what it is. And no wonder why people don't know what they're doing, and they don't get a clear-cut answer. Because how could you? How could you? There's no set rule on all this, especially for sports science and nutrition. That shit changes like your underwear. One day it says this, then the next day it says that. It's so hard to figure something out. As always, though, I'm here for you motherfuckers, and I try to give you the best. As always, it's your boy Big John from Bodyforward. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and don't forget to go to the greatest website in the world, www.body-forward.com, and download that free nutrition report. It'll help you. Peace. Yeah, change your underwear.